Live from the KGO TV Broadcast Center, this is ABC 7 News.
Tonight, an elderly woman says she's been living in hiding for 6 years.
That's because she says she's afraid of the public guardian's office in one Bay Area county.
ABC 7 News I-Team reporter Dan Noyes is here with this story tonight.
Well, Dan and Carolyn, for more than a year, the I-Team has been exposing disputes with the Santa Clara County Public Guardian. Now the county could be forced to pay back thousands of dollars to a woman who says the county took her money and spent it without her permission. 85-year-old Rita Cook can't get around without the help of her family and a wheelchair. But she says she doesn't need Santa Clara County's help with anything.
I really don't know why they would want to take over my life.
In spring 2008, the Santa Clara County Public Guardian planned to conserve Cook, taking over her financial decisions. It was concerned about how Cook was spending her money, including taking a large loan out on her home with hopes of fixing it up and selling it, purchasing cars for her grandsons and this RV for her daughter. Cook also tried getting one of her grandkids into the music business by investing in a hip-hop artist.
I think that's my right. My right to spend my money on what I want to spend it on. I had enough. I knew what I was doing.
After Cook's primary doctor diagnosed her with dementia, the county also petitioned to take control of Cook's health care. Cook had one problem with that.
I wasn't demented at all.
She tells us that's when she decided to get out of Santa Clara County.
I called my daughter and we immediately made the decision to leave. We had to do something.
In late May 2008, they fled in the RV to Ventura County. Days later, on June 3rd, the Santa Clara County Public Guardian officially conserved Cook.
They had no jurisdiction over her.
Janet Harvey is Rita Cook's daughter. She says Santa Clara tried to get Ventura County to take over the conservatorship.
Ventura County said, "We're not interested in your mother."
2 doctors and 1 Ventura County court investigator determined Cook did not have dementia. One said patient is competent to make reasonable decisions on her own behalf at this time. No psych meds necessary. The conservatorship of Rita Cook by Santa Clara County ended on December 30th, 2008. Cook and Harvey thought that meant the case was closed.
We found out that they were paying her care at an assisted place that she was at out of her money the first couple of months in 2009.
The Santa Clara County Public Guardian continued to spend Cook's money after the conservatorship. The county used Cook's cash to pay assisted living facilities, medical insurance payments, and fees to Santa Clara County.
She had to pay for it out of her money against her will.
The Santa Clara County Public Guardian's Office refused to be interviewed for the story, citing confidentiality and ongoing legal proceedings. In recent court filings, the county makes the case that it spent the money in Cook's best interest, saying the Public Guardian had a duty to make sure her bills were paid. But in a tentative ruling, a Ventura County judge orders Santa Clara County to pay Cook more than $19,000 plus interest for the money it spent after the conservatorship and without her permission.
I had no idea where the money was or how much was spent.
Cook's not sure she will ever get her money back, but she's more concerned about the treatment other people receive under conservatorships.
Sorry for the other people. The people should never have to go through this.
Well, Cook and her family have left California and have no plans to return. The Santa Clara County Public Guardian has a court date later this month where they can argue they don't owe Cook the money at all, and we'll stay on top of the story. Dan, Carolyn?
Well, Dan, how did the county insert itself in Ms. Cook's life in the first place?
Well, that's the question. I mean, clearly there was some sort of a tip, but the county tells us they can't tell us because that's confidential, and they can't even tell Cook how they got involved in her life.
Oh, come on, really?
Terribly frustrating for her.
God. All right, thanks, Dan.